Hey there everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve deep into the secrets that can help you rapidly grow your YouTube channel. So, grab your notepad, because this is going to be an exciting journey. The first secret to growing your YouTube channel revolves around defining your niche and crafting a winning content strategy. First things first, what exactly are YouTube niches? In a nutshell, there are specific content categories or themes that YouTubers focus on in their videos. Picking the right niche is crucial because it helps you target a specific audience and build a loyal following. But remember, it's not just about what's popular, it's also about what you're passionate about. The next step is diving into audience research. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube Analytics. Why should you care about audience research? Well, here are a few key reasons. Content relevance. It helps you create content that your audience actually wants to see. Engagement. It increases viewer engagement and interaction on your channel. Growth. It attracts new subscribers and retains existing ones. Monetization. It can improve your chances of monetizing your channel successfully. To keep your audience engaged, invest in high-quality equipment. Clear visuals and crisp audio can make a world of difference in retaining viewers. First, let's talk about why video quality matters. High-quality videos can make your channel more appealing, keep viewers engaged, and even help you attract a larger audience. So, it's not just about what you say, but how you present it that counts. The most important part is editing. Editing is where you can enhance your video quality even further. Use video editing software to adjust colors, add graphics, and improve overall visual appeal. A well-edited video can make a world of difference. Let's kick things off by discussing the power of thumbnails. Your thumbnail is your video's first impression, and it's often the deciding factor for viewers to click on your content. So, how can you make it irresistible? A compelling thumbnail should include high-quality imagery. Use clear, high-resolution images that represent your video content. Contrasting colors. Make your subject pop by using contrasting colors. Text overlay. Include relevant, concise text to give viewers a hint of what to expect. Emotion and expression. Express the mood or emotions in your video. Simplicity. Avoid clutter. Keep it clean and easy to understand. Now let's talk about crafting click-worthy titles. Your title should provide a sneak peek into your video and spark curiosity. Here's how to do it effectively. A click-worthy title includes keywords. Incorporate relevant keywords that people are likely to search for. Emotion and urgency. Use emotional triggers and urgency to pique interest. Numbers and lists. People love lists, so consider using numbers in your titles. Problem solution. Highlight a problem and how your video solves it. Clear and concise. Keep your titles concise and to the point. Craft detailed video descriptions and use appropriate tags to enhance discoverability. The more information you provide about your video, the better. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why video descriptions and tags are so crucial for your YouTube success. These elements help your videos get discovered, improve your ranking on search results, and keep viewers engaged. Your video description is like the back cover of a book. It should provide a sneak peek into your content while also being engaging. Here's how to do it effectively. A compelling video description should include video summary. Briefly describe what your video is about. Timestamps. If your video has multiple sections, add timestamps for easy navigation. Links and resources. Include relevant links, such as social media profiles or products mentioned in the video. Keywords. Integrate relevant keywords naturally into your description to improve searchability. Call to action, CTA. Encourage viewers to like, subscribe, and comment. And there you have it, the secrets to growing your YouTube channel rapidly. Remember, there's no magic formula for instant success, but by following these secrets and putting in the hard work, you can achieve remarkable growth. So, get out there, start creating amazing content and watch your channel flourish. Before we go, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below, and let's help each other grow in this exciting YouTube journey. Until next time, happy YouTubing.